In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the unparsable error in Smartsheet so you can get your formulas working correctly again. First, open your Smartsheet and locate the cell displaying the unparsable error. This error typically appears when Smartsheet cannot understand the formula you've entered. Next, click on the cell and carefully review the formula. Look for common issues such as missing parentheses, extra characters, incorrect column references, or typing mistakes. Make sure every opening parenthesis has a matching closing parenthesis and that all function names are spelled correctly. Also verify that your column references and formula syntax follow Smartsheet's required format. Even a small typo can cause the formula to become unparsable. If you're using multiple functions, try building the formula one section at a time to identify exactly where the error occurs. After making corrections, press Enter to recalculate the formula. If the error disappears, your formula is now valid. If you're still having trouble, compare your formula with a working example or simplify it until you locate the problem. That's it. You've successfully learned how to troubleshoot and fix the unparsable error in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.